Hello friends, good evening. Welcome to Alpha Technicals M. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to our channel. Also, please don't forget to press the bell icon such that you will receive all the notification upfront. Okay. Now we'll go to our Nifty daily chart. Sorry, as discussed yesterday, see it has broken our 100 days moving average. Okay, it is just closed below that. See, this is also become a doji. Okay, if it high cuts, it will go up, low cuts, it will come down. The probability of coming down is more, because if you just check the volume, if we can just check the volume, 1 minute, you can see the volume is above average. So market going down, probability of going down is more than going up, unless until there is some news. Okay, this is in investing.com. You can see the volume is clearly visible. Both the days downside volume is clearly visible, but only thing is there is a rejection from the bottom, so that will be the only confusion. If it was a full candle, okay, if it was a full candle, it could have been very clear confirmation that yes, market will go down. See, like if it was a full candle like this, okay, then we add a wick, 1 week up, then it is okay. Then this high low breaks, it will go up. Now the candle has formed is, it has got wick on the both the side. Okay, you can see, observe. That is why I tell observe the candlestick patterns, such that you will understand. The candle is like this, so this is a confusion candle. Okay, so most probably it will go down because of the volume. Keeping the volume into consideration, I am telling you it may go down. Okay, now we will go to the other setup for Fibonacci. It's just around 50% retracement it is playing. Once it breaks, I think it should come down to 9,600, and then it will take support at our super trend. Okay, 9,656. In this setup, see, once this low is taken out, it will take support. So today's low is taken out. Today's low is 9944. Okay, it will take support at 9896. Okay, if that 9896 is broken, I think 969597, around 9600, it will travel easily. Another 400 points downside is possible. It may fill up this gap also. Let us wait and see. Let us keep the fingers crossed. In 1 hour candle, you can see it has taken support. Okay, this is taken support at 21-day moving average. Okay, if it breaks this low, that's what I told. Here also it is confirming. Okay, 9885. So that is a support region. If that 9885 breaks, see, it will fill up this candle. There is no support here. So straight away it will land at 9586, around 9600 from here to here is possible. But in 1 hour candle, we have got our 55. Remember, 55 moving EMA in any chart, 1 minute, 5 minute, 3 minute, it will act as a very good support and resistance. If you are playing generally, we can take above 55, it is buy, below 55 it is sell. Again, intraday chart we have to see and then play for general perception. So it will come down. It should take support at 9722, but that is not visible in day candle. So that is why we are also using the 1 hour candle. 9722 will also be a support. So from there only it has gone up. In case that breaks that 9600, 9589, around 9600 will be a major support. That breaks only, it will come down. It may not happen in 1 or 2 days, but eventually it may happen as per the technical analysis. Once you know which side the market may move, then in intraday setup, you have to just look for that side of the trade. In 15 minutes, you can see it is just come below 55 EMA. Okay. Now we'll see Bank Nifty. Okay. In Bank Nifty, it is very clearly showing it is a downtrend. Okay. You can see here very clearly it is showing. It's a say like body is very clearly showing, but immediate support is there for Bank Nifty at 20,120. Okay, if that breaks, then it will land up in that our what you call 21-day moving average. That is, it is now it is around 19,422. If that breaks, then 18,000 2311 is possible. Around 2000 points from here it is possible. Technically it is saying it is possible. Okay, in 1 hour we can see, again in 1 hour it is the same scenario. If the low breaks, so there is no support here. Okay, straight away it may land up at 19,846 first landing. Second landing is 19,683. If that breaks, then it will land up at 18,796. So both are matching. So as per that we can plan our trades. Okay, this is also 55 EMA. I told you, 55 EMA is a very strong support and resistance. Okay, somebody asked for global market. Today I am showing you the global markets, because why I don't see global market in the night is Nasdaq futures will be running. It will close in the early morning. SGX will close around 2:30, 3 o'clock as per IST, Indian Standard. So next day morning, before market opens, if you see market around 8 o'clock, 8:30, whatever is there, that will be more what you call reliable. It may change, market may fall. That is why I don't see European world markets in the night. Okay, we will see what is happening. See, this FII data is 2,905 crores they have bought. DIA sold 8473 crores. See, today we are not seeing option chains, because this is next week option chain. Because of the NSE feed, there was lot of problem everybody faced. So there is no much build up or short covering, nothing is happening in options today, right friends? So today we will skip the option sessions, but we forgot question of the day. Sorry, I will just answer the question of the day. Question of the answer is long build up. Whoever has answered correctly, congratulations to them. Okay friends, now question of the today's day. Today's question is, open interest down. Okay, premium down. What is the answer? Open interest down, premium down. What is the answer? This today is the question of the day. You please see, this is a learning process. Try to answer this question. Go on, if you don't know, go and find out the answer. In this way, every day you will learn something or the other from this channel. Some people told open interest going up, price going up. Of course, that is price, but technically it is called premium. Okay, price never becomes zero, premium becomes zero. That is the difference. Understand? Share price generally it will not become zero, right? That's called price. Here it is called premium, because it becomes zero. Okay, so we should technically, you should address that. Technically that word is premium. Okay, let us not get into very deep, just say premium. Open interest down, premium down. What is the answer? If you don't know the answer, please try to find out. Hardly it take 5-10 minutes. Go search in Google, somewhere in books, and then please find out, and then try to answer it in the comments section. Okay friends, thank you very much. We are going to add little more data, like what will be the FII data for 5 days average, 3 day average. We are going to add in the next week. We will also show you in which stocks the build-up is happening. Delivery percentage is going up, which may go up in future. You may able to invest in that. Okay, so we will give you some hints regarding the investing also. Okay, we will just show you. You have to take the decision. You have to open up the chart in your setup, and then see where you have to exit and where you have to enter and where you have to exit. Okay friends, thank you very much. Okay, please watch the video still end. Try to answer all our questions. It's a learning process, right? Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan.